Hi students, welcome to electrodynamics class. In this class we are going to discuss use of Laplace equations and the solutions of electrostatic problems. Another topic. So in this concept to find the electric potential between two coaxial cylinders. So let A be the radius of a inner cylinder, A be the radius of the inner cylinder and B be the radius of the outer cylinder. The inner cylinder is charged to potential VA and outer cylinder is grounded due to these boundary conditions. Those are boundary conditions. That is V is equal to VA yet R is equal to A, V is equal to 0 yet R is equal to B. So in cylindrical coordinates Laplace equation is del square V is equal to dou square V by dou R square plus 1 by R into dou V by dou R plus 1 by R square into dou square V by dou theta square plus dou square V by dou z square is equal to 0. but the cylinder is a function of r, then dou square v by dou r square plus 1 by r into dou v by dou r is equal to 0, because the cylinder is a function of r. So then 1 by r into dou by dou r of r into dou v by dou r is equal to 0. So then dou by dou r of r into dou v by dou r is equal to 0. So integrating this equation, integrating this, r into dou v by dou r is equal to c, where c is a integration constant, then dou v by dou r is equal to c1 by r, dou v is equal to c1 by r into dou r. So integrating on both sides, v is equal to c1 log r plus c2. So using boundary conditions, r is equal to a, v is equal to va. This implies va is equal to c1 log a plus c2. vb is equal to r is equal to b at v is equal to 0. This implies 0 is equal to c1 log b plus c2. Subtracting three and 4, va minus 0, va is equal to c1 into log a minus log b. Therefore c1 is equal to va by log base e into a by b. Equation 4. The value of c1 is substitute in equation 3. We will get the constant c2 is equal to minus va log b by log base e a by b. This is equation 5. From equations 4 and 5, the integration constants are substitute in equation 1. Therefore v is equal to va log R by log A by B minus VA log B by log A by B. So this implies V is equal to VA common teddam, VA into VA by log A by B into log R minus log B, that means log R by B. So that is the electric potential. This is electric potential V between two coaxial cylinders. This electric potential can calculate by using Laplace equations. Okay, thank you.